You're spending thousands on furniture, but your space still feels average. Meanwhile, some people walk into a modest apartment and instantly think, wow, this feels expensive. The difference? They know what five-star establishments know, and today I'm revealing everything. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why luxury spaces feel the way they do, and you'll have the tools to recreate that magic in your own home. If you're not subscribed to Seniors Cleaning Hacks yet, hit that subscribe button now because we're about to share industry secrets that will completely transform how you view your living space. And please share this with someone who needs to hear it. The bedroom revolution, creating a sleep experience worth thousands. Let me start by addressing the biggest question everyone asks. Why does sleeping in a hotel feel like floating on a cloud, but your own bed feels basic? It's not the mattress. This is the shocking truth that most people get wrong. Bed manufacturers want you to spend thousands on new mattresses, but professional luxury designers know better. The real magic happens in the layers, and today, Marcus from Seniors Cleaning Hacks is breaking down exactly how. Trick number 1. Master the triple sheet method. Hotels don't use one fitted sheet and call it done. They layer strategically. The bottom layer is your fitted sheet, pulled tight and tucked perfectly. Then comes the first flat sheet, crisp and smooth. Next is your duvet encased in a beautiful cover. Finally, another flat sheet sits on top of everything, folded back at the perfect angle for visual appeal and function. Why does this work so well? Each layer creates airflow. None of them trap heat against your body. As you shift during the night, you're sliding across multiple surfaces, and each one feels premium because it's loose enough to breathe. This is why hotels never overstuff their beds with blankets. Instead, they perfect this layering system. The texture combination matters too. Some sheets are linen, some are cotton blends, and some are sateen finish. When you mix these textures across your layers, your skin experiences different sensations throughout the night, and your brain registers that as luxury. One material throughout feels monotonous. Variety feels intentional and high-end. Trick number 2. The pillow combination strategy. Your pillows might be the biggest reason your bed doesn't feel expensive. Think about what you have right now. If they're flat, if they've lost their shape, if they don't support your head properly, your entire sleep experience suffers. Luxury hotels use a combination approach. They place down pillows alongside down alternative pillows on each bed. Here's why this matters. Down pillows conform to your head beautifully, but can go flat over time. Down alternative pillows provide structure and last longer. By combining them, you get the soft, conforming feel of down with the lasting support of synthetic materials. Most people buy one type of pillow. The result is unbalanced comfort. You need variety. 4 pillows on a queen bed isn't excessive in the luxury world, it's standard. 2 are fluffy, 2 are slightly firmer. You arrange them so that no matter how you sleep, you're resting your head on the ideal combination. Don't forget about pillowcase quality either. The feel of what touches your face matters immensely. Higher thread count pillowcases create a smoother glide for your skin. Your face slides across them effortlessly. Lower quality cases create friction. That friction, even though it's subtle, your brain registers as uncomfortable. Trick number 3. The duvet doubling technique. This is the secret that transforms everything about your bed's visual appearance and comfort level. Take one duvet and place it inside a second duvet cover. You'll have 2 duvets sitting on top of each other, both covered. The effect is dramatic. Your bed looks impossibly plush. When you lie down, you're not just supported by one layer of filling, you're surrounded by double the insulation and comfort. Hotels use this technique constantly because it's affordable yet creates the illusion of luxury. The weight feels different too. A single duvet might feel thin or wimpy when you first sit on the bed. Double it up and suddenly you feel enveloped.
Your body temperature regulation improves because you have more insulation options. You can pull one duvet up or adjust both independently. This technique costs nothing if you already have two duvets. If you don't, buying a second affordable duvet is far cheaper than upgrading your mattress, yet the comfort improvement rivals a new mattress purchase.
Lighting, where the real magic happens. Here's something most people never consider. Luxury has more to do with light than with actual furniture. Walk through your home right now and notice something. Are you relying on one or two overhead lights to illuminate your entire room? That's why it doesn't feel premium. Professional lighting designers use three distinct types of light working together, and this is trick number 4. Trick number 4, ambient lighting foundation. Ambient light is your room's baseline illumination. It's not bright, it's not focused. It's the soft, warm glow that makes the space feel welcoming. Hotels achieve this using wall sconces, floor lamps positioned in corners, and hidden LED strip lighting tucked behind furniture or crown molding. The color temperature matters enormously. Warm white light, around 2700 Kelvin, creates a relaxing atmosphere. Cool white light, around 4000 Kelvin, feels clinical and institutional. That's why hospitals and offices use cool light, but homes should feel warm. Strategic placement is crucial. Position lamps where they create gentle shadows, not where they shine directly into your eyes. When light bounces off walls and ceilings before reaching you, it feels diffused and luxurious. Direct light feels harsh. Trick number 5, task lighting for functionality. Task lighting serves a purpose. It's the lamp on your nightstand, the light above your sink, the fixture over your reading chair. It provides enough illumination to do something specific without lighting the entire room to hospital brightness levels. A bedside lamp with a warm bulb allows you to read comfortably without activating your room's main lights. This is essential luxury design. You can have multiple lighting moods in one space: evening reading mode, winding down mode, getting ready mode. Each has its own lighting setup. Consider lampshades carefully. A lampshade diffuses light and prevents direct glare. A naked bulb in a fixture feels cheap. The same bulb behind quality linen or fabric becomes elegant. It's the same light, but it's filtered and refined. Trick number 6, accent lighting for drama. Accent lights are subtle but noticeable. They highlight specific areas or objects. Under-cabinet lighting in kitchens makes the workspace feel premium and functional. A small light behind artwork makes pieces stand out. Candles in the bathroom create atmosphere. These lights aren't bright. They're not meant to illuminate the entire space. They're meant to draw attention to carefully chosen elements: a vase, a piece of art, an architectural feature. When you guide people's eyes to beautiful elements through strategic lighting, they perceive the entire space as more intentional and expensive. The biggest lighting mistake people make is using only overhead lights with bright, cold bulbs. No luxury space is lit this way. Every space in a high-end environment uses multiple light sources, warm tones, and deliberate dimming. Install dimmer switches on your ambient lights. This gives you complete control over the mood. Bright enough to clean, dim enough to relax. This is not an expensive upgrade, but it transforms everything.
The invisible luxury: how scent transforms your space. Most people focus on what they see and touch in their homes. Scent is overlooked, yet it's one of the most powerful luxury indicators. When you step into a 5-star hotel, the air itself feels expensive. Trick number 7, essential oil diffusion system. Replace standard air fresheners with essential oil diffusers. Air fresheners are chemical heavy and feel artificial. Quality essential oils, when properly diffused, create a scent that feels natural and intentional. A combination like bergamot and vanilla creates a spa-like atmosphere. Lavender and eucalyptus promotes relaxation. Lemon and orange energizes. The key is choosing scent profiles that align with how you want the space to feel. Ultrasonic diffusers are affordable and effective. They break essential oils into microparticles that disperse throughout your space naturally. The scent isn't overwhelming, it's subtle and lingers without being aggressive. Change your scent seasonally. Citrus notes for spring and summer, warm spice and vanilla for fall and winter. This creates the feeling that your home is being professionally maintained and updated, which is how luxury spaces operate. Trick number 8, scented linen treatment. Take your bedding and pillows to the next level by lightly misting them with scented spray. Use quality linen spray, not cheap perfume. Lavender-scented linen spray is the luxury standard because lavender is associated with sleep, relaxation, and high-end spa environments. The mist should be light. You're not drowning your linens in scent. You're creating a subtle aromatic experience. When your head touches the pillow, that gentle scent helps your brain transition into relaxation mode. It's psychological, yes, but psychology is powerful. Do this right before bed, not hours in advance. The scent should be fresh and present as you prepare to sleep. Trick number 9, strategic candle placement. Real candles in specific locations create ambiance and scent without overwhelming a room. But here's the luxury trick that most people miss. Place candles in spaces where guests won't see them. Your bedroom closet, bathroom drawers, under sinks. Candles in these hidden locations scent your fabrics, your clothes, your entire environment with luxury fragrance. When you wear a shirt or open a drawer, that elevated scent emerges. It makes everything feel pampered and intentional. Rotate candle scents throughout your home. Different rooms can have different profiles. Your bedroom stays calm and relaxing. Your living room feels sophisticated and inviting. Your kitchen smells fresh and clean. This consistency across multiple scent environments creates a cohesive luxury experience.
Decluttering is the foundation of elegance. Luxury and clutter cannot coexist. This is perhaps the most important concept in the entire video. A $50,000 sofa in a cluttered room looks wrong. A $500 sofa in a well-organized minimal space looks expensive. Trick number 10, the intentional design principle. Luxury is never about having more, it's about curating better. Every single item in a high-end space serves a purpose or brings joy. Nothing is randomly placed, nothing competes for attention. Start by looking at your rooms honestly. What items don't contribute to how the space makes you feel? That decorative item you've never looked at twice? The stack of magazines from 6 months ago? The furniture piece you keep bumping into? These things are working against you. Remove them. Not because minimalism is trendy, but because clutter literally makes spaces feel cheap. Your brain registers mess as disorganization and low value. Emptiness and intentionality register as high value. Trick number 11, furniture arrangement for flow. Oversized furniture shoved against every wall doesn't create luxury. Strategic placement does. Leave some breathing room. Allow people to move through the space naturally. Create conversation areas where furniture faces each other, not all facing one wall like a cinema. A room with space to move through and breathe feels bigger, more organized, and more expensive. This doesn't mean empty rooms. It means purposeful arrangement.
The finishing touches. Premium details that cost nothing. You've sorted lighting, scent, and clutter. Now comes the final layer that separates ordinary homes from luxury ones. Trick number 12, luxury towel strategy. Walk into any high-end bathroom and the towels immediately communicate quality. They're large, they're thick, they're luxurious white or neutral tones. Small, thin towels feel budget-oriented. Large, plush towels feel expensive. Replace your current towels with oversized, high-quality versions. The difference in daily experience is remarkable. These towels cost moderately more, but transform your entire bathroom aesthetic and function. Fold them neatly, stack them on shelves. Small touches like this create visual organization that reads as luxury. Trick number 13, trays and layering. Hotels organize bathroom items and bedroom surfaces using decorative trays. A tray on your nightstand corrals perfume bottles, a lamp, a book. A tray on your bathroom counter organizes your skincare items. A tray on your coffee table creates a curated display of books and a candle. Trays prevent random scattering of items. They create visual organization and hierarchy. Instead of 10 things spread across a surface, you have a contained, thoughtful arrangement. This technique transforms clutter into intentional styling. The exact same items scattered look chaotic. The same items on a tray look curated. Trick number 14, mirrors and reflective surfaces. Strategic mirror placement makes small spaces feel larger and brighter. A mirror opposite a window reflects natural light throughout the room. Mirrors across from artwork make the space feel deeper. Reflective surfaces create visual expansion. This is why hotel rooms, even small ones, feel spacious. Mirrors are positioned to enhance light and create depth.
Trick number 15, personal artwork. Generic, mass-produced artwork from big box stores reads as temporary and inexpensive. Framed personal photographs or black and white prints feel intentional and sophisticated. Select photos that matter to you. Frame them uniformly in black or natural wood frames. Arrange them in a gallery wall or small grouping. This costs far less than buying art, yet creates the impression of a carefully curated personal space. The key is consistency in framing. Mixed frames and sizes look chaotic. Uniform frames and thoughtful spacing look designed and expensive. Now that you understand the 15 core tricks, let's talk about implementation. You don't need to do everything at once. Luxury design is about layers and progression. Start with lighting. This single upgrade impacts every single space and costs moderately. Swap harsh overhead lights for warm bulbs and add dimmer switches. Introduce floor lamps and accent lighting. Next, tackle your bedding. Triple sheeting and pillow combination plus duvet doubling happen this week. Your sleep experience transforms immediately. Then focus on decluttering one room at a time. Remove everything that doesn't serve a purpose. Arrange remaining items with intentionality. Add scent to your environment using diffusers and linen spray. This invisible luxury component takes days to implement, but compounds the luxury feeling considerably. Finally, add the finishing touches. Upgrade your towels. Introduce trays for organization. Hang personal artwork. Position mirrors strategically. Creating a luxury home experience isn't about wealth. It's about understanding the principles that high-end spaces follow and implementing them strategically. Lighting, scent, organization, quality textiles, and intentional design are the real foundations of luxury. This is Marcus from Seniors Cleaning Hacks, and we're committed to helping you elevate every aspect of your living environment. If this video transformed how you think about your home, please like it right now. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss future content on creating premium experiences in everyday spaces. Share this video with someone who needs this information. Your friends and family deserve to know these secrets too. Drop a comment below telling us which trick you're implementing first, and let's build a community of people creating luxury in their homes. The luxury lifestyle isn't something you buy, it's something you design, and that design starts today. Thank you for watching Seniors Cleaning Hacks, and we'll see you in the next video where we're exploring more game-changing home transformation strategies.